What's good, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy D Gilt coming at you guys with another review today. Today we have a review on the Nike Tech Knit jacket. Now, before we get into this review, make sure you guys hit the like button and comment and subscribe for me. It helps the channel out so much. I'll be doing a lot of content on Nike Lab and Nike Tech. I'll also be doing shoe videos as well. Let's get into the review. Now for sizing, I got both of these in an XL and this one in a double XL. Forget why I got this in a double XL, but I would definitely recommend going true to size. I'm about 215 pounds, 220 pounds, and I'm 6'3", and the XLs fit me perfect. The double XL is too big. I think this colorway was super dope, but it's not something I'd wear too often. I do really like Tech Knit. I'm a huge fan, and I own a ton of Tech Knit. These are a little bit of an older piece. These released in 2016 at $250 a piece, which is kind of crazy if you look at it. This is $750. But I will say that the material is super nice, and I definitely think these are super high quality. I think this is a great alternative to Nike Tech Fleece. I do really like Nike Tech, and I'll be doing a ton of videos, like I said, on Nike Tech. I own so much different tech that I just gotta get those videos out for you guys. But these are super dope in my opinion. These are just full zip jackets, there's no hoods, and they have really nice zippers. I mean, you guys can see, and they have gold pull tabs as well. 250 bucks, that's definitely expected. I do think these are super high quality. I love the material and I like the pattern. I know a lot of people don't like the pattern as much, but I like the little heather pattern where you have like the black, the white, you know, the green on that, and the black, white, gray. I think that looks super dope. And then the all black is super nice as well. I do have a ton of Nike Tech Knit products, so I really like this heather pattern. Now this jacket is made up of 56% nylon and 44% cotton. And this jacket is super nice. I love the breathability it has around the neck. It also has it on the sleeves as well. It does have a Nike swoosh, and it's just on the sleeve right here. It's not really a big branding. Like, you couldn't really tell that this is Nike unless you saw the sleeve, and it's not really that big of a Nike swoosh. But I do think this product is super nice and really high quality. Even as an older piece, I still think this looks great today, and I definitely still wear all my Tech Knit products. I think Tech Knit was super nice, and I wish that they kind of stuck with this. You don't really see anything like this anymore. And it's crazy to think that this is a 5-year-old piece. And you can definitely find these super cheap online. I think at $250 now, it's outrageous, but finding these online for cheaper, I think that's a super great buy. I really only wear Nike, so I like to have my high quality Nike and like stuff I can wear dressed out, but then I also like to have my Nike where I can work out in and just chill. So I think that these are great for just if you want to dress out. It looks super nice. I believe they also have more colorways. I think there's about 3 other colorways. I'd have to look for sure, but these are the only colorways I own. It has your standard zipper. There's nothing really special about it. Always has the little 2-way. I never undo the zipper, to be honest with you guys. I like that they have a little pull tab, a little rubber pull tab. That's super nice. The breathability on the back, I think the back pattern looks super nice. I really do like this piece. I really like the material on this. It's super nice. I like the stretch, and I love the comfort. It just kind of forms around your body and fits perfect. I definitely would recommend it for you guys. Make sure you guys check out my other videos. I'll be doing a ton of reviews on Nike Lab and Nike Tech. So much content is coming out for you guys. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'm out.